There are countless video ideas you could make on YouTube for entertainment, depending on your interests and the type of content you enjoy creating. Here are some potential ideas to get you started. 1. Create a DIY or crafting channel where you teach your audience how to make various projects. 2. Review and recommend different types of books, movies, TV shows, or music for different audiences. 3. Share your favorite workout routines or fitness tips. 4. Create a challenge or game show, either with friends or with your audience. 5. Offer travel tips and advice for different types of trips, such as budget travel, luxury travel, or adventure travel. 6. Host a music channel where you share your favorite songs, covers, or original music. 7. Offer reviews and recommendations for different types of products or services, such as tech gadgets, home appliances, or travel gear. 8. Share your favorite fashion tips and trends, offering advice for different body types, occasions, or styles. 9. Create a channel dedicated to your favorite hobbies or interests, such as gardening, pet care, or collecting. 10. Review or react to the latest movies, TV shows, or music releases. 11. Create and share your own short films, music videos, or comedy sketches. 12. Share your favorite recipes or cooking tips for different types of cuisine. 13. Offer makeup or fashion tutorials and tips. 14. Host a gaming channel where you play through different games and offer commentary. 15. Share travel vlogs, offering tips for the places you've visited and sharing footage of your adventures. 16. Offer behind-the-scenes glimpses into your creative process, such as how you write and record music or film and edit your videos. 17. Host a podcast where you discuss current events or interview interesting guests. Remember, the most important thing is to choose a topic that you're passionate about and that will allow you to create content that is unique and engaging for your audience.